Hi, I'm Krish Karayil and I'm an industrial designer and an architect. If you are looking for professional industrial design services, this is the right place for you. I work as an industrial designer, architect, footwear designer, and an online educator. So I have worked in these fields professionally for more than 7 years. I specialize in consumer products, footwear products, helmet products, medical products and packaging and many more. And so I approach a project from all aspects. This gig is solely designed to provide a flexible workflow to the customer in an attempt to achieve desirable results as early as possible. I approach a project from all aspects like ideation, sketching, storyboard, 3D modeling, 3D rendering, and product pitch presentations. And I also offer services for preparing parts for rapid prototyping and 3D printing. And I help companies and entrepreneurs to innovate and guide their products to market success. And I only offer high quality professional work and you won't be disappointed. And if you find this is the right gift for you, please contact me and let's get to work.